got one thing from Target. I got these Cheeto shirt donut pants, and they also came with these Crocs. 2 sheets of stickers, and a donut flashlight, laptop, so, and then I also got this from Five Below. It's a cheeky Chingu strawberry one. It's like a little keychain. Okay, this is the good one. So I got this fun box. There's Newbie, the Night Puff, Droopy, the Rain Bud, Knock for Monkey, the Ember Bloom, and me, the Dream. So this one's rare, but I hope I get it. So, but I don't care if I get So we have the packaging. So we have it well, open it. Watch closing my eyes. See, hopefully something. These are rare. These are the one I want. This one is. Oh. Oh. What is that? What is that thing? Oh. Okay. That's what I got. I think I got the one I wanted, but they weren't as. Oh. Guys, you know what we're trying to say? So I got the one I wanted. It's just, I don't know. But guys, which one was your favorite? This one? Or this one? Or the